Experience the streamlined simplicity of Hirose's One Action Connectors. A single action completes the connection, enhancing assembly speed and reliability. Discover the exceptional features of our One Action Connectors. Connect with a single action, effortlessly speeding up assembly and reducing wear and stress on the connector, enhancing reliability in a wide range of applications. Optimized for automation, these connectors feature tapered openings to reduce insertion force and prevent misalignment, perfect for both manual and robotic assembly. Compact design maximizes space efficiency and enhances design flexibility, requiring no actuator operation and facilitating easy installations even in tight spaces. Preset for immediate use, these connectors streamline manufacturing processes, significantly reducing costs and minimizing waste. And the series features a distinct audible and tactile click confirming secure mating. Perfect for industries that demand fast, precise, and reliable connections, such as automotive manufacturing, robotics, and consumer electronics, where minimizing downtime and enhancing product performance is crucial. Stay ahead of the curve with Hirose's family of One Action Connectors. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hirose Electric, connecting the future.